Sir, I'm the letter S. I am a consonant. I make the S sound.
Give me some examples.
Yes, sir. S as in seesaw. S, E, S, ah, seesaw. S as in sausage. S, ah, S, edge, sausage.
I see. Anything else?
Yes, sir. Sometimes I make the Z sound when I'm in the middle or at the end of some words.
S sometimes makes the Z sound in the middle or at the end of some words. Give me some examples.
His and is are examples of my Z sound at the end of a word. Please and misery are examples of my Z sound in the middle of a word.
Any other Z sounds?
Lots of them. I also make the Z sound when contractions are used, like theirs and its. S is also pronounced as Z at the end of some plural words, like dogs, cows, and horses. But not cats. Cats has an S sound at the end.
Okay.
And any time an ES is added to make a plural word like boxes, for example, the S is always pronounced as a Z sound.
You're a pretty complicated letter, aren't you, S?
But wait, there's more. When I'm combined with the letter H, I make the sh sound, like in shoe, shave, and shower.
You do make a lot of sounds, letter S. Can you sum it all up?
Just remember, she sells seashells down by the seashore. This covers all the beginning sounds I make. And this sentence covers all my ending sounds. Cats love boxes. Dogs love beds.
My head is spinning with all these facts. Line up, letter S.